Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Apple ID is not active error using a couple of simple methods. First, try restarting your device. Sometimes this error appears because of a temporary system glitch. To restart your iPhone or iPad, press and hold the power button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, turn the device back on, and try signing into your Apple ID again. If restarting doesn't work, the next step is to reset your Apple ID password. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to iforgot.apple.com. Enter your Apple ID email address and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. You may be asked to verify your identity using your phone number, email, or another trusted device. Once your password has been reset, go back to your iPhone or iPad and open Settings. Tap your name at the top, then sign out if you're already signed in. After that, sign back in using your new Apple ID password. If the error still appears, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection and that your date and time settings are set to automatically. Go to Settings, tap General, then Date and Time, and enable Set Automatically. After completing these steps, try signing into your Apple ID again. And that's how you fix the Apple ID is not active error by restarting your device or resetting your password. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.